Hi there, welcome to 1-2 Steps. In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover Binance account. To recover Binance account, first we need to open Binance app, which you can download from Google Play or App Store based on your device. After opening Binance account, there will be an option called Login and Sign Up. Click on Login. After clicking to login, you'll land on the login page. And you'll also notice there is an option called Forgot Password. To recover your Binance account, we need to click on Forgot Password. After clicking on Forgot Password, click on Continue. And if you have used your email to sign up for the account, then click email. If not, then click on phone number. In my case, I have used the email, so I'll type in my email. After typing in my email, click on Next. It'll give you a simple task to verify the security. Just slide to complete the puzzle. After doing that, it will send a verification code to your email. Check your email. As you can see, there is an email from Binance, and it has provided the code. Now I just need to select the code and type in here. After typing in the code, press Next. Now after doing that, type in your new password. Now after typing in your new password, click Next. So you have successfully reset the password of your Binance account. So that was the process of recovering your Binance account if you forgot your password. If this video was useful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscription button and ring the notification bell if you wish to get notification from our side. For now, thank you for watching the video.